We should be back. We should be back. Relax. Now we are back. No, you can't hear me. No, you can't hear me. Don't lie. Stressing me out. It's muted? No, you're muted. No, you are muted. I think something is broken. You have a sword for a mouth. No, I do not. It's in your head. It's in your head. Check your head. Go to a doctor. You need to get your head checked. There's no sword in my mouth. Guys. Unbelievable. Was annoying. Guys. Mystery boy into Lego. Oh god. Listen. We have work to do. We have work to do. Guys. 500,000 is not gonna make themselves, are they? Where was it? Here. Do you do work on this? Yeah. Of course I do work on this stream. Of course. I'm working my AI doing the prompts while I distract my competition. You. Me, you think I'm your competition? That's crazy. That's crazy. That's insane. I'm trying to make a code-based state machine. I think they were talking to me, Mr. Debo. Ah, right. Yes. Yes. Of course. Okay. State. Move up. How do I do this? I'm so confused. Okay, I think match was a bad idea. Okay, so oh, there's a hierarchy. There's a hierarchy. You cannot. I see what's happening. We cannot do match based. It has to be if statement based. So the jump comes first. The jump comes first. Have you ever done a code-based state machine before, iHeart? I guess. Okay. Var jump is on floor and but what is this is on floor? What is on floor? It's a constant. Return. It's a boolean. Wait, what? Is this also a boolean? Yes. Then if is initial jump then set state jump, and that's gonna come here, and it's gonna set the state to state jump. Jumping and velocity is falling. So velocity, if it's not on floor, is on floor. Okay. Otherwise, if state equal to states jumping, else if state equal to state jump and not is floor, state falling. Ah, shit. We need another state. Fall. Set state all. Yes, all the time. It's a fundamental of EE and comp SCI, I assume. Is on floor is not a const, it's a function. Yeah, but it returns a const. Right? It's a function. Yeah, but it returns. It returns a boolean, which makes it a boolean. I am not crazy. Am I crazy? Maybe I am crazy. I don't know. I could just do it here technically. I don't have to set the state. I can just do it here. I still don't know what this is. What is this? I think it's just for animations. Let's just see how this works. If it's on floor. So this is for the actual jumping, right? And that is for falling. Initial. Do I even need this then? Wait, let me just check. Nothing happens when I press. Oh, cause state none. State. And that one is being called. Do I not have jump? I should have jump. I do. Wait, what's happening? Why can't it jump? Oh, there's no gravity. Fuck. I fucked up the gravity. No. What? Oh, wait. Then if I do this, so it needs to go down. So does this need to always be here? No. It would be like, okay, I'm triggering. So the way I have to set this up is triggering falling. Trigger falling, which in turn is going to trigger. We're going to trigger this. I think. And this is where we are setting the states. Set state function that can be changed for gravity, but where do I call set state? Oh, you only really want to use set state for the animations. You only want to use set state for the animations. You don't want to combine the animation with the physics process. So this thing should be, this set state should probably be inside process func. Set state like this, and then you handle these animations in set state, and then you don't want to do match. You don't want to do any of this. You just want to call if state is equal this, do this, if state equal this, do this, and then you have the hierarchy set up like this. Jump, jump. Well, this doesn't have an animation, so not yet at least. And then the same thing needs to happen here with the initial. Then if initial, then you set the state equal state jump, and then else if state equal to state jump, and velocity higher than 0, 0, state equal states state fall, else if state in else if state jump oh, this is the gliding, never mind, that's the gliding. God, bro, do you have the code for this? Because this guy is tripping me out. Simple version. Player single script. Here we go. Physics. Now see, why does this look different than what he showed here? I knew he was fucking with me. Oh yeah. Okay. Let me read to this, because this one I think makes more sense. Ground state, idle, running. Falling, jumping. There's gliding. Is gliding like control or something? Gliding. Collision count, glide. State falling, see if it's on floor. We update the character horizontally, velocity based on its current state. Gliding. Input direction X. Velocity. Set state. I guess I was wrong. And where do you set the state? You set the state in where? Where's this being triggered? Well, where's this being triggered? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Like, where's set state being triggered? Because it has to be triggered somewhere. Without states. What? Without states? What does that mean without states? Oh, this is like old school. You just use booleans. I bet this is even faster. I am so confused right now. Set state. Wait. Is it triggering on its own because of this? Is this like... Is this right here set? Is this binding? Is this binding this to this function? Or how is this being done? Set state. I need to find out where this is being called from. Set state. Come on. No, it's not showing me anything. Okay. I'm just gonna copy this whole thing. Copy. Because I need to understand what the heck is happening. Jump. Sophie's skin. This has to be the... This has to be the player animation. I think. It has to. What else could this be? I'm just gonna use print. Print. Gliding. Print. Falling. Print. Jumping. This has to be the animation stuff. Print. Running. Wait, what? I thought we already reached 1000. Did somebody unfollowed? Unbelievable. Who unfollowed? Can we find that guy? Can we find that person? Unbelievable. Kirk's Loom. How's it going? Move left. Okay. Oh, wait. There she is. There's our Sophie. Oh. Wait. I just realized The state machine. It's separate from the character. Where's Sophie? Where are you, Sophie? Sophie is just like a sprite. Oh, it's just a sprite. Okay, so, okay. Oh, damn. So, Sophie is just a PNG. What are you trying to do like games, and which game? What are you trying to do like games? And which game? We're just making an incremental game. That's all we're doing. How do you jump? Move up. There is no move up. Jump. Jump. Glide is... Glide is... down. And... control... Oh, oh my god. That jumping. Okay. We should probably... It's a bit excessive. Okay. What? My zoom... Why is my zoom not working anymore? What? Oh! No. No. Your thing is a bit wrong. Because you're not exiting... You're not exiting a state. You are just swapping to a different state. Which can cause issues. But let me see if they do it the same way. Let me see. I guess it doesn't matter. But yeah, yours is very clean. It's very clean. But I'm not a big fan of the handle input. I don't know. Let me just see. Animation, play, idle. But this also works, right? I mean, it should work, right? Why is it flickering like that? Am I swapping the... Somewhere I'm triggering something. Flip. It's definitely not flip. It's something else is triggering. Do I have it on the wrong animation? Is it supposed to be the other way around? Are you calling set state everything? I have no idea how it works. It looks to be tied to this. I've never seen this in my life. So I have no idea how this is being triggered. Yeah, look. So, wow. Wow, I didn't know this was a thing. You can attach functions to variables. So then you can do things like whenever this changes, whenever this state changes, this function gets triggered. Isn't that crazy? I didn't know this was a thing. Did you guys know this was a thing? Did you guys know this was a thing? Damn. I've been playing nerfed. Nerfed. Nerfed, I say. Yeah, I didn't know this either, Rubik's. Mm-hmm. Now what I don't understand is what is triggering you want the code? Um there you go. I just don't get it. Because somewhere we are changing the it may also just be it can also just be that this needs to be the other way around, which is possible. Maybe they're expecting it to be on the left, not on the right. But I haven't seen any flipping. I wonder what's causing that. So that's what we need to figure out. Wait. Found it. Found it. Although, why are they scaling? Why do you use invert scaling when you have flip? Huh. Very strange. Very strange way of doing it. If you ask me. It's a very weird way of doing it. Also, for some reason, my zooming doesn't work anymore. Why would that cause anything? Why would that cause anything? Unless I just messed up. Oh, I messed up. When did you get deleted? When did you get deleted? There we go. Oh my god. I have the best idea. I'm a genius. Green leaf. green leaf. Sinbad, green leaf. You guys know what I'm talking about? Green leaf anime. That's a big leaf. It's not. Yeah, like this one. Green maple leaf. Bruh. Just give it to me. Ah, it's too high quality, that one. Uh, yeah, I don't know. Green maple leaf 3D model. You know what? We're just gonna get. What the fuck is this? Like a balloon. This can also work, but it's just too high quality. I feel like this one would have been perfect. That one would have been perfect. This one is so high quality. Oh, you know. Well, we only really need a picture of it. We could take a picture of it. Nah. What about you? How are you? Look how big it is. Jesus Christ. Damn. Crazy. But this is going to allow us to basically, holy fuck, the size of it. Oh my. Okay. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. God damn. Wow, even this is too big. Oh, it's moving with my head. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. It needs to be on the body. I believe. Yeah. And then fuck. Yep. No more flashing, guys. No more flashing. I'm sorry. No more flashing. That's it. You know? No more flashing. Oh, well, now I can scratch. Now I can stretch. Now I can be like, oh, look at me, guys. Now, you know, we don't have to hide. We don't have to shame. We can just show our glorious body. Manin, hello. Yes, sir. Toilet paper idol. Let me see. Toilet paper. It's idol. Huh. I do not see it. Toilet paper is a non-serious incremental clicker game where the most essential resource of hard time becomes the only source of wealth. Wait, wasn't this like a thing? Wasn't this like a thing? Roll, upgrade, and automate. What the fuck? Guys, do not question it. Don't question it. Just let it happen. Just let it happen. Do not question what is going on. This is the future. No idea is stupid enough. No idea is stupid enough. Anything goes. Anything goes. Well, all you have to do is think toilet paper, okay. Incremental, okay. Go. That's right. Look how much money he's making. He's making toilet paper of gold. Look at that. Did you notice? Did you see? Rainbows. Just let it happen. Because it's happening, you know? God damn. Okay. You know, you're right. This is a bit much. Rubik's, this is a bit much. I think. All this shit. Let's try yours. Oh god, where was yours? Here. Well, we still need to come up with some shit. What's this? Key 0. What? What the heck? What is key 0? Oh. Oh. I should change it. I already forgot what I should be changing it to. Is action pressed? Input is action pressed. Why would there be an input? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what this is, because this... Why would you have a button for idle? Makes no sense. Okay, so just... Let's do this. Okay. Oh, it needs to be in the process. At the top? Or at the bottom? Oh no. Stupid kickbots. Go away. Shoo. There we go. Fixed. Okay, at the bottom, right? So set state. Active state. Oh wait, handle. Oh wait, what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay, what am I doing? Above. Above. Okay. Walk. Uh, walk. There is no jump animation. Do you use Godot? Because I'm wondering what are you sending me? Okay. You use Visual, but do you use Godot? My question is. Oh, you use it. Okay. Okay. So, right. And now we need to. No, it's still wrong. It's still wrong. Still wrong. It's wrong. Because it's not inside physics process. That's why it's wrong. You've done it in process, which is wrong. You don't want your FPS to dictate your movement. You want the physics process to dictate your movement, which is set. Use process with delta? Yeah, but that's bad. In what way is that good? But why not just use physics process? I don't know why. Does it have to be complicated? I mean, you have physics process. Why not just take advantage of it? Like this technically should be in here. I think. This should still technically work, right? And then we still need to set all this up. And my dumbass deleted the code. And of course I did. What was it? Move and slide. Oh, I just need to make a new character. A new script. So detach, attach, layer 2. What? It didn't create a script with the predefined stuff? Why not? Why not? Template. Okay, here we go. Detached, then attached, load, delete, if not is floor, go down. Wait, why does this look different than what I had before? Wait, what happened? What was the code we had before? Was that not from the same thing? Wait, which one do I need? I need this. Direction. Set direction, set state. Set state move. Do I still need to get this? Do I still need to do this? That's my question. How did I butcher it so much? How did we butcher it so much? Let me just go back in time. Because I feel like what I had before, it was working. Before we even looked at this code. So I need to... Is there a way to see my VODs on Kick? Yes. So here I was starting to change things. Then we played that game. And then we came back. Yeah, why is this so different? Okay. Very strange. Very, very strange. Speed. What? I wonder what happened. Because I think this is the default. That Godot gives you. But this time it gave me something else. var input direction. Input direction. Input get action strength. Move right minus input get action strength. Move left. Move left. Then velocity x input direction speed. Then I'm wondering if we should always call move and slide. Or only call it in the specific state. If is on floor and no wait, that is for the jumping part. That goes into the jumping part. Input is action. What's the point of doing all this? If I'm doing all this here, what's the point? It's like I'm doing double work. I'm so confused. Wait, shouldn't I do this here? Then have this here. Then but it needs the input direction, see? So that kind of needs to stay. And then is the problem we have is this other one. If velocity I plus equal gravity delta okay. Jesus Christ. Where did he go? To the moon? To the moon and back. So what you're saying is, what are you saying? To just do it here? Huh? Nah. But why? The heck is happening? Something is not going right. I don't even want a delta. Ah shit, it needs a delta. Something is not right with the... What? Am I just jumping? Cause I'm set here. Which means... Wait, how do I fix this? Because I'm stuck in this condition. I'm stuck in this state. That's the problem. We are stuck in the we're stuck in this state. Which means what does it mean? This is gonna be fighting. Yeah, that's gonna be fighting this. Which means here I don't want to set a state here. Jumping doesn't do anything now. Man, this is all scuffed. Maybe I'm just gonna go back to like node-based state machines. Because this is not working. It's not doing what I needed to do. Maybe this needs to be under. Maybe. Oh, because now I'm stuck in this state. What? What? So I think I'm stuck in this state now. Yeah, I'm stuck in this state. So because I'm stuck in this state, it will never get to here, right? No, it does. But it never goes back to idle state. So like here should go to idle state. Idle, and this should be first. What? Then it gets in here and he never leaves this place, which also doesn't make any sense. And now it's working. What? I don't understand what happened. I don't understand what happened. What happened? What happened? What happened? Hmm. Okay. It's almost like, wait. Wait a second. Bruh. Do you not see the problem? Uh, this is... Okay, I am onto something. I just need to... It's 0, 0. Maybe it's not a float. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Shoo. 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 There you go. God damn. It's fixed? No, it's not fixed. Trying to figure out... I'm trying to figure out the... This right here. Which I'm passing down to here. It's coming out as 0, which is not great. Oh, son of a bitch. There we go. But it's okay, so then what we have to do here is Set idle 0.0. But that is not gonna stop it. Shouldn't this come in here? Uh-huh. Wait. Is this still being triggered? Actually, no. But this is... How do you stop a slide? How do we stop the sliding? Velocity. Oh, we have to do... Oh, wait. I'm a dumbass. Velocity X. This? Okay. Okay. Why is it so janky? Is it because of my FPS? Yes. Can I just maybe like this? How come I cannot trigger this? Is the question. No, I am triggering this. It just doesn't do anything. There. He never gets here. Why? Oh. No, this should still work. Active state. Match active state. And it should come here. Or maybe this is the problem. Oh my god, they are still spamming me. What the fuck? Shoe. 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 Can you believe this, guys? Why does he not jump? Why does he not jump? Is the jump strength maybe not good enough? Nah, there should be plenty of jump strengths. Yeah, this does not trigger at all. Because we are in idle. But I'm also triggering this. So I see the problem. Oh god. Your system is very flawed. Okay. So this is the problem, because it goes to set idle because it's questioning all this. So maybe this needs to be here. Something to do with the idle is fucking with everything. I mean, even this doesn't work. Why not? Is jump not the correct input? No, it is. And I am triggering it. And we are triggering it. It's just not going up. Because oh god, this is all scuffed. You know what? I think I'm going to... I'm just too dumb. Okay. We are too dumb. We are too dumb to make a code-based state machine. Too dumb. That's all there is to it. So I'm just gonna go back to node-based state machines and be done with it. State. Which one was it? I think it was this one. I want to see one that it's been updated. That's 7 months. 7 months is a long time. And this one is like 8 months ago. Wow, somebody made like a 3D one. Look at this. They even added like a wall mechanic. Damn. Very impressive. I don't like this one. This one is based on signals. It's a bit iffy. Okay. Okay, let's go with this one. Let's go with this one. Oh, okay. Such a good song, bro. I'm telling you. What? What is this Emily talking about? I started playing the open beta and got pretty far in. Probably had around 40 crops unlocked. Found that my upgraded tree and crops buildings are back to being locked. I think you are on public beta. So a lot of new crops have been added. Check your advancements. You have to retake some steps such as green tomatoes being replaced by red tomatoes. Just continue where the advancements left you off. Not what you think, not what you had unlocked before. Okay. Okay. So, add child, state machine, and if I recall, I couldn't figure out how to add. God, I couldn't figure out how to add before. Yeah, this, it wouldn't let me add this. So the documentation explains that we need to when we add a state, I need to create. What do I need to create? I need to create state machine. A state machine by itself does nothing. You need to create a script for a state. So here, script, inherit from state machine state, then what? Doesn't look right. Invalid parent name. Why does this not work? What? Walk state. Player walk state. But this is also incorrect. Huh? This is also incorrect. Why is it behaving like this? Okay, let's try again. New script. State. Invalid inherent parent name or path. I wonder if he has something to do with 4.6. Let's find out. Okay. Let's try again. Delete. Try again. News, is it enabled? Yes. New script. State machine. Okay, that works. Okay. So it was version 4.6 then. State player walk state. What happened? Oh. So what does this do? There's only a couple of things here. There's only actually how can I once a state is created, you can add it as a child. And oh, I need to name it. I need to class name player. This is how he wants me to do it. Walk state. That's kind of dumb. Yeah, that's how he wants me to do it. Yeah. Okay. Ba, 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 ba. I guess this is not too crazy. Platform state ground. What does that mean exactly? State grounded. State to change to when the player stops running. So it's gonna change back to walk. Huh. Okay. But how? Okay. So you still have a physics process. Funk. Move and slide. And you also have a process. Which I don't understand. But I will use. But I'm a bit confused. Don't care about acceleration. Speed int. Let's see. Nope. Is it because... Why? Acceleration. Is that why? Oh shit, that's why. Oh, that is so dumb. Guys, are we ever going to make this game? Are we ever going to make this goddamn game? Is the question. It's all sort of fucked. I'm just gonna use my system. I'm gonna say fuck it. I'm just going to use my system that I made. That is what I'm familiar with. So let's use that. Static game input. Scripts. Static. Events. Although I should probably just have this here. I'm gonna call it class events Um, Probably it's not gonna work like this, but still. And then and what I don't understand is why did you get rid of unhandled input? Got rid of it. Why? That's something I need to figure out. Cannot find player. What's this? I'll come back to you. Wait, is this for idle? Fuck. That was for idle. Ah. But we only have walk, which means walk. Walk. And then we don't have these. So who cares about those? I think that's it really. Something else. And of course it doesn't work because left, move left. Move right. There is no move up. Move down. So I may have to change this one specifically. Okay. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Is it because it's trying to call? Move down. Move, yeah, it doesn't exist. Okay, get access. Can I get the access of... Can I get the vector 2 just from using left and right? I wonder. That's a float. That's a float. But something about strength. I need to get the strength. Come on. Load. I see you. Input get action strength. Input get action strength. No, go back. Why is this so laggy? Input get action strength. Move left. I said move left. And this is gonna give me a float. Okay, so it has to be a vector 2 like this, then a vector 2 over here, and then a vector, and this comes over here, move right, and that should give us, hopefully, what the fuck? Also, I need to revert this back to the way it was before. This. Why is it going down? Am I getting the wrong inputs? Is that what's going on? Left. So right. Left. Oh god, that's not good. the axis. Maybe I have to use the axis. And instead is right, left. Oh. Oh, wait. This is 0, right? There we go. Guess that works. I think I don't want any of this. I don't even know if I want any of this. Maybe just literally none of it. Okay, we are finally, oh my god, we are finally getting somewhere. Jesus Christ. Ah, okay. Speed. Speed is too much. Speed is too much. Hey, flames. Welcome in. Welcome in, good sir. Welcome in. Good to see you. How was your stream? How was your you almost saw my PP. It's okay. It's covered. It's covered. It's very covered. Don't worry. How it was good? Good. Good, good, good. Fixing bugs and balancing. Nice. I'm trying to make game 2. I'm trying to make game 2. And it turns out I suck. I suck. Very much so. It's called a game. It's called a game about feeding my secret bunker family. It's an It's an incremental game. I thought you were working on Mr. Farmboy. I am working on Mr. Farmboy. But I also began prototyping game 2, so that's what we're doing right now. And I can't even get like controls. That's how bad I'm sucking. You need to heal Chitozilla. Why is bro still alive? But yeah, it's been a humbling experience because I've been working on Farm Boy for like almost a year now, and going back to the basics, it's holy fuck. It's a nightmare. I tell you that it's a nightmare. took me all day just to get this guy to walk left and right. That's insane. That's insane. Yeah. Copy. That's pretty much what I did. That is pretty much what I just did. It took me like 2 seconds. It took me like 2 seconds. I just copy pasted everything over and I said, okay, done. Done. You know? That's all I had to do is copy paste. Copy paste everything. Don't leave nothing behind. One thing I'm wondering about is that I'm not sure of is all these things being triggered. Because that would suck. That would suck if they did. Let's find out. It looks like the answer is... The answer is no. So it only triggers in whichever you are in, which is good. That's what you want. There's also the debugger we can assign to. And grab a bite to it. Good. Very good. Now I need to do the same thing with the jump. Direction, left and right. We don't have these directions, so... Up and down. I don't have to worry about up and down. There you go. The code is a bit more simple than my old code. The only thing I need to figure out is... is it going straight back to idle? Probably, right? If I had to guess. So when we are here... I need to... okay. How does jumping work? Oh, I see. Ah, that makes sense. That makes some sense. So I don't even need any of this. I can just pass. And then here, why is this a super what? Physics. Process. Yeah, there's no super here. Then if player character velocity is higher than 0 0 and player character is on floor, then player character velocity is 0 0. Then you get state machine, current state. We're gonna switch back to idle. Otherwise, player character velocity I plus equal gravity delta. And it looks like we don't have gravity. And I'm assuming gravity is from... what the fuck is gravity? Is gravity a float? I would assume so. Var current gravity float equal 800. Player character current gravity. Then this is jump input trigger. And here I should be making a movement input. I should make a static, you know? Static func movement jump input boolean if var jump hold up, let me see, how do I do it here? See, I'm trying to remember, but I don't remember shit. God, where the fuck is it? Release this. Is action released? Why would be is action released? Oh, whatever. Var jump is action released. There is pressed. Leave it pressed. Jump. And then we take this. Right, we take this and then we check it here. If game input events and player character velocity I lower than 0, then character velocity not character, player velocity times 0.5. I wonder if this is going to work or if this is going to ruin us. So walk in. Nothing happens. Nothing happens. Why? Because I'm still in idle. Right. Wait, so technically this needs to be in here. Wait, what? Do I just... Doesn't this mean I need to keep track of freaking everything? Is it not kind of dumb? Okay. So we came here. We came here. Is this even triggering? I don't know. Let's see. It is triggering. But wait, is this supposed to be minus? Not plus. What? Okay. Wait. I don't think I am on the ground. I am not. I'm already not on the ground. Which means oh, this is what makes it. Oh, okay, so this code right here, what this does is making it so it goes down. Although I'm still not seeing where the gravity is. Yes, okay, so this needs to also be, if not carte is on ground. Current state airborne. So in here, in physics, if not is on floor, get state machine current state equal to airborne. Good jump. So this is gonna go down. Right now it should fall. I'm not sure why it's not falling. It's a puzzle. Acceleration. Trying to find gravity. Oh, wait, jump. Airborne. Where are you getting the gravity from? Oh, this is the gravity. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it should fall. Why wouldn't you fall? Is it because you're like this? Huh. Does anybody know why it's not making it fall? It should fall. It should plus current gravity and delta. That should make it go down. Wait. Move and slide. Is this why? Yes. Oh, I'm such a genius. Oh my god, I'm such a genius. I told you guys. Now the question is... Right, so now I need to trigger... I guess it is triggering it. Or maybe... This yellow Tetelubi can't be genius. Yellow Tete... Nah, what the fuck is this? Are you insane? Are you insane, sir? That's some crazy shit. This is a nightmare. Bro. How am I gonna go to sleep tonight? What have you done? That's crazy. Holy fuck. Are you insane? God damn. Maybe they are descendants of Chitozillas, but I never seen them in my life. I never seen them in my life. God damn. Is this what we became? Is this what we became? Holy fuck. Nuh-uh. It's not triggering, so... From what I can tell, this is not triggering. Oh no, wait, it is triggering. It is triggering. Huh. How's it going? Okay, dog. Good to see you. Grounded. If not platformer, state level over and event action press plat. Okay, so this should in theory call... I'm calling that, but I also need to call this. Player character I minus jump player jump speed. I see. So we need the jump speed as well. Current jump speed Is this a float? No, it can be an int. Current jump speed. So we still kind of need to trigger it. Oh. Velocity. There it is, boys. There it is. Although the jump strength is rubbish. Maybe it needs to be like this. Okay, he went to the moon. He went to the moon. Okay. Even that is a bit much. Okay, we are going somewhere. And I need to do the same thing on walking. Let's see what happens. Why can't I just go into whatever I need to go into? I have to repress, which sucks ass. It's like it's not keeping track of when I'm back into idle. Does he not check this? Like it should be able to check this, right? Maybe it's not. Maybe it's not able to check this. Because I have to repress it. What? Now all of a sudden it works. So we're going to idle. Then when we're back on idle, I'm not check. Do I need to? There's no way I need to do this. That would kind of suck. Ah, shit. The only problem is I cannot turn. I cannot turn left and right while I'm in the air, which means I need this. I also need this in the jump. So I can change directions. Why don't I make this like functions? Functions of the player. So I just have them. You know? So let's do that. Func, change, walk, sprite, direction. I don't have access to the get state machine. Why? Ah, cause it's fuck. So fucked. Do I need this? I don't know. Well, actually, it's just changing the direction. I'm not changing the current sprite, whatever. Change sprite direction. Func process. Change sprite direction. Then I need this. Change movement direction. Change movement direction. Current. Why is this here? Current real direction. Vector 2. Layer. Character. What? A direction. Current direction. half conscious. You okay, bro? What are you craving? Huh? You need a soda? You need a soda? Hmm. Okay. Change directions. So this we also need to apply like this. Oh. And it looks like it's conflicting. It looks like it's conflicting. So something in here is conflicting with this. So probably not this. So let's try again. Is that the no? It's Kick and YouTube combined. Wait, are they spamming again? Because I banned a bunch. Oh no, that's my application. Okay. So I can turn, but I cannot change trajectory. 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 What's the word I'm looking for? Trajectory. Trajectory. I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. You think I know stuff? I don't. Trajectory. Yeah, there you go. Thank you, sir. You don't know stuff, so you're not a genius after all. I'm a genius in terms of Cheetozillas, you know. That's for sure. Yep. Yes, sir. And that's all that matters. But you did not know that Cheetozilla is probably related to Teletubbies. Listened here. They must have been a long lost civilization. Also, I say I saw your PP. You know you did not see my PP. No, you did not. My PP is covered. Okay, you did not see any PP. Okay, it's covered. All right, it's covered. That's all that matters. All that matters that it's covered. Velocity, current, real direction, current speed. I feel like shouldn't this change my wait. Now find member normalized in base flow. Is this what I have to do? I'm a genius. Oh my god. Guys. It only took us all day long. It only took us all day long. Now, how performant are you? Oh god. Okay. It's the visual. It's the visual renderer. It's crazy. It's crazy that the visual is still like... there's nothing, man. There's nothing. There's nothing for you to look at. Why are you so taxing? Wait, let me set this to 60 FPS. Maybe that's where I'm going wrong. It's possible. Still progress after day long, not bad. I said almost made a platformer. Yeah, I don't know. I just know there's nothing happening and it shouldn't. It shouldn't, like, that process thing right there. I am a bit annoyed with. Like, why? Why and why? Help me understand. Help me understand, sir. Like, what's this? Yeah, it's not this. It's definitely not this. Nothing is happening here. It has to be the visual. It has to be this. That's having hiccups. Yeah, look. Right? Yeah, that's what that is, yeah. But because we don't know exactly where it's coming from, it's getting skewed by the draw calls. Because it's not giving us like a full picture. It's not really giving us a full picture. which is crazy. Why you need 500,000? Why not? Why not, sir? Is the question. Don't you need 500,000? Back from ads. Welcome back. If you don't need 500,000, can I have it? I guess monies is monies. Does game dev not pay enough? Game dev does not pay enough. No. Game dev does not pay enough. No. No, sir. For some it does, not for everyone. Yeah. Dang, there goes my dreams of becoming a Gabe Me Dave. That's right. That's right. There goes the dream. There goes the dream. So you're saying I will need to find a job? Yes. Yes, you have to find a job. Yeah. Yeah. Unfortunate. Damn, I need the job. Crazy. I don't want the job though. God damn it. But I don't understand why you don't have a job. Fine, I can be a playtester to get paid to play mobile games. Huh? Mobile games? Okay. Cool. Mobile games, cool. Let's see. Where do I send you guys? Where do you want to go? Do you want to go to cricket? Do you want to go to hypnotic? Do you want to go to maybe somebody new? Where's all the new people? Oh, you know what I realized? That's an issue. That's a big issue. Huh. I think we'll have to switch places. Chat goes on the left and I go on the right. Because you cannot see. In Twitch, it is not a problem. I literally showed you it's a problem. What do you mean? What are you talking about? I'm literally showing you it's a problem. And you're telling me it's not a problem. It's literally in Twitch. Huh. Bro. In the directory when you're looking for people to watch. Okay. Right. God. Where do I send you guys? Where do I send you? I mean, I just love hanging out at cricket. Where do you usually go after? Where do you usually go, Ginger? Where do you hang out the most? After me. Okay. And go to sleep, right? I want to see if I can find. Let's see. Can we find anybody new? Good dog. Is anybody streaming Godot? There's Hypnotic, there's Cavino, there's Cricket. dun, dun. Famish, thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Good sir, welcome. You know what? I'm gonna send you to Hypnotic because I need him to see my new avatar. He must know about this. He must know. He must find out about Cheetozilla. Okay? He must know. He must. He must know. He must. He must. Guys, thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. And I will see you tomorrow. That's right. Tomorrow. GG's.